We are Rising Crust. Today, we're going to be introducing our topic on dun dun dun, bread and yeast.
Ever since we learned about this topic in biology, we've been inspired to do an experiment regarding this topic.
We were wondering if you knew anything about yeast.
Well, let me tell you. Yeast is a type of fungus that plays a crucial role in various processes, like baking. How do you think the bread rises then?
I don't know.
Well, the yeast helps the bread by consuming the sugars in the dough and releasing carbon dioxide gas, which then creates air pockets, making the bread you eat fluffy and light. Having this as our background info, our investigation question was, what changes in the bread when different liquids are added, like milk and water, to the yeast? When we experimented, we had to make our dough from scratch, often leading to a few mistakes and changes.
We predicted that if we added milk into the yeast, the dough would have changes like increased fluffiness and would rise more. This should be because there is more sugar to consume from the milk, and the nutrients could have an effect on the bread once baked.
Our investigation was conducted by making 2 batches of bread, both made with the same ingredients, but we changed the yeast mixture. We did this by adding milk/water. Once we baked the bread, we checked for changes in the milk bread and the water bread.
One of the observations was that, as we predicted, the milk bread was indeed softer and fluffier than the water bread. We also noticed that when we put the yeast in the different liquids beforehand, the milk yeast fermented less than the water yeast, which expanded more than expected. So, in conclusion, our whole investigation on yeast was to figure out the differences between the bread you buy and how the type of liquid mixed with the yeast can affect it.
So that's the end, and bye!